want to come and give you guys this tour. This has been our most popular, but not the most inexpensive one, but most popular one because it's gorgeous. Look at this beautiful porch.
This is an 8-foot by 50-foot front covered porch, and
have a party.
yeah, you could have a party over here. It's absolutely massive, guys. If I step all the way back here, you can have a new appreciation for how big this cabin is. This is absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and take you inside and show you what the inside of this lovely cabin looks like. Okay, so my favorite part of it is right when you walk inside. You have a absolutely beautiful. The first thing you'll see when you walk in is all the lights coming in from the skylights, right? So you'll see all that natural light just beaming in to this massive open concept great room. It is just absolutely stunning in here, guys. You got living room, you got your dining room, you got your built-in little island over there, and then you got your kitchen right over there with the custom handmade Amish built cabinets. Another upgrade that is worth mentioning here as well is these beautiful D-log steps that go up to the second floor loft. As you can see, all handcrafted, absolutely stunning. This is an upgrade. Now up there, again, that is where your loft area is. Now look at those 20-foot ceilings, guys. You can see Nadia is about 5'3", 5'4", and as you can see, look at how high that ceiling is. Very welcoming, very open. Some of y'all have really large families and you want a big room like this to gather in. Well, I mean, look at how beautiful this is, guys. Look how beautiful this is and how vast and how wide open everything is. And again, one of my favorite parts, these D-log steps going up to the loft, which I'm gonna take you up there here in a little bit. But let me actually show you the angle from down here, looking down. Look at this. I'm halfway up the stairs and you can kind of get another angle here of how beautiful this cabin is. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so let's go down the hallway. Yeah. Before we do, look at that kitchen one last time. And again, look at how vast and open, 20-foot high ceilings, all that natural light coming in. Let me get this angle.
This is lighting all the way throughout, I know this.
Oh yeah, it's very well lit, as you can see. No matter what angle you look at this cabin, guys, everything is just clicking. You know what I mean? Everything is just, it's just beautiful. So Nadia, let's take them down the hallway.
Oh, sure. Let's walk over here. It looks like there's a little section if you guys have a dog or cat or whatever.
Yeah,
or even a little one. I can totally see like putting a shelf down here with some books and make it a cozy nook for your little one if you have any.
Okay, so going down the hallway a little bit.
And I'm thinking this is over here would be the laundry room and your utility. We have the electrical panel over here.
Yep.
And more cabinets up here. Lots of storage in this cabin, I've noticed. And this is gonna be washer and dryer, not
yeah. So you'd have side by side, washer on the left and dryer on the right. Extra cabinets there towards the back door there.
And this is a back door.
Yep, that can go off to your back porch if you want to do that. Over here.
And we have the extra more. Oh,
that's your water heater. Yeah, you got your water heater in there. And then of course you got your 200 amp breaker box right here because you got electric running. Remember, you got your tongue and groove pine on the walls, but you got 2x6 exterior wall studs. That way we can stuff that sucker full of insulation to meet code and all in the lower 48 states.
One of the things I noticed was very cool is these door handles. Isn't that cool?
Oh yeah, you got the little
like
twisty door handles.
Twisty door handles. I've never seen them before. But the bathrooms are, both bathrooms actually, nice and big and spacious.
Okay.
And again, I want to mention this because I know this is an upgrade, but I would definitely make this upgrade. I love these things.
Yeah,
Gorgeous.
there you go. There you
And
go.
lots of cabinets and drawers again. And this is like a little medicine drawer over here.
Let me walk in there and show them what that looks like. So there's your tub. There's your toilet. And then you have extra storage space right in here in this closet. So again, functional. And no space is wasted. You know what I mean? You got everything you need and nothing you don't. So going down the hallway, like I said, it is getting... Let me see if there's any lights working. And so bedroom number 1, we got it set up as a kid's bedroom.
Very cool.
And we got the double bunk bed in there.
Isn't that bed so cool? I love that.
Yep, double twin bunk bed. You see they got the mini splits. Keep in mind too, as I'm walking around, I forgot to mention that, but you'll notice we got mini splits. Everybody's always asking about heating and cooling. So if you notice, there's one there. Okay, that's a Mr. Cool system. So you got one mini split there. And then there's a couple upstairs, and then you'll see them kind of as we go all around the cabin, and that's how we heat and cool these cabins. So we got the other mini split.
Yep, and we have a little closet again inside of this bedroom.
Yep, got a closet here. Yep.
Yeah, you can put shelves and everything in here.
Yep, super cozy, super cute, right? And look at that. And they're showing off their beautiful dressers. Okay,
Let's
so
go to the office or bedroom number 2.
So bedroom number 2 is over here, or you can double it up as an office. The Amish were using this one as an office. As you can see, they got another mini split up there, 2 windows. You can easily fit a king size or queen size bed in here, and then there's a closet right over here.
Windows even in this
Yep.
bedroom.
So bedroom number.
And here's the master bedroom. This is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love this bed. So unique. Is this
That is a king size bed. Yeah, oh yeah, that's a big boy.
That's a big king size.
And again, you see the other Mr. Cool system up there, right? You see the other mini split.
You should get this window. It's a
Yeah, let me get the window. And remember, this is facing your front porch, and of course, you got your privacy curtains
and another window.
and another window over there. So that is what that looks like there.
And we have a double sink situation going on over here in the bathroom.
Okay, so let me get this full.
This bathroom doesn't have lights. Here.
Yeah, Nadia, let's show them this closet behind the door.
This closet is a walk-in closet, actually.
Yeah, let's show them that. So show them there is a closet here in the master, hiding behind there. And it's actually quite spacious in there. So got you a nice size closet.
Yep.
And there with a pocket door that slides shut. Okay, those pocket doors are awesome as far as being great space-saving doors. So, yep, open that up and show.
I noticed that they put this here so the door doesn't hit the wall.
And then, is there a pocket door into the bathroom too, or is it just a regular door?
The bathroom is a nice size.
Okay, good deal.
So.
So one of the things you'll notice they did in the master that I didn't notice the first time I walked around here is they made the roof color darker to kind of give it some contrast. So isn't that neat? So again, these are some of those little nuances. If you want to customize your cabin, you can say, hey, I want dark floors, dark ceiling, light walls. These are all those customization things that you get to do when you order a cabin with us. Because remember, no two people want the same exact, aesthetics. Okay, and then look at this setup here. Again, showing off their beautiful Amish furniture. I have shown this on my other video before. So you can see you got the his and her copper sinks, the cabinets, walk-in shower over there, and then
there's a closet right here, little linen closet.
Okay.
It's a nice size.
Let me turn around and see. There's your shower, and let me turn around and again, remember too, if you want your commode in a different spot, your toilet, we can do that as well. Obviously, we know we got that right there by the front window. Again, when you design your cabin, we can move things around to suit your needs. Okay, so again, with the dark stain up top, another window here facing the porch.
I want to mention something else. I think the trims Like the darker trims are upgrades too.
Gotcha.
So just something to keep in mind.
Absolutely.
This is all like upgrades.
So just keep that in mind. Some of these are upgrades for this particular customer, you know, the way that they ordered theirs. But the majority of the cabin, this is the way it comes, okay? So the majority of it, small upgrades along the way, but majority of it is not an upgrade. It's the base model, okay? So going back to the front one last time. Again, I just want to make sure, again, you guys really can take all this in. I mean, look at this, guys. It's just, it takes my breath away every time I walk this cabin, because when I think of the dream cabin, the Appalachian is the one that I'm thinking about. You know what I mean? This is the one you've worked hard your whole life. It's time to hang up your cleats and really enjoy that land. You got that beautiful piece of land somewhere. Maybe you got some lake views, maybe you got some mountain views, and it's time to hang up your cleats and enjoy the grandkids coming over and having a great gathering spot where everybody's always so excited to come over and see mama and papa, right? And you could just see it. Maybe put you a fireplace or wood burning stove in here, which we do got the wood burning stoves now, by the way. And just set that scene. Imagine wintertime, snow's falling outside, the whole family's just relaxing, kicking it, enjoying all the ambiance of the fire. You can smell the food cooking. I mean, it's just beautiful, guys. It is just beautiful.